Are you ready to sell on TikTok? That's right, guys. Now there's a big chance to build and grow a profitable business on TikTok, and it's called TikTok Shop. By the end of this video, you'll know how to sell on TikTok Shop and what are the cool things you'll get here. Welcome, viewers. This is Naushad from Ecomclips. To learn about this awesome marketplace and find out the money-making strategies, watch this video till the end. Now let's begin. If you're a fan of TikTok, then you must know how addictive those short videos can be. People spend hours scrolling and watching all the fun contents in this app. Now, TikTok Shop has become a part of this platform, and you can sell straight to its audience. Imagine if you could create a video of your product and make it shoppable. Just think about the selling power you'd have over the customers. This is a new and unique way of selling, and it brings a huge opportunity for the seller. Already, it has massive popularity. There are 150 million active users in USA. The cool thing is, third-party sellers like us can get into this platform and sell their products. And there are 3 awesome ways to do it. First, you can start a shoppable live stream. You can tag your product on the live stream. During the show, the viewers can tap on the product to learn more and make a purchase. Another way to sell is through shoppable videos. You can create a video just like regular TikTokers and make those videos shoppable. The video will pop up while people are scrolling, and if it grabs their attention, it could lead to a purchase. It's like turning your content into a storefront. Lastly, there is a product showcase method. It's like having a little catalog on your profile. Shoppers just need to tap on it from your profile page, then browse your product and buy. It's like having a mini catalog on your profile page. Shoppers can browse the page and then buy what they like. Do you know what's the best part? People can shop without even leaving the app. There is almost zero hassle in this shopping experience. That means customers will get less distraction to change their minds. You know what's frustrating? Customers often bail out just because the shopping experience is annoying. If they need to go outside of the app or the page takes forever to load, they're just gonna ditch you. But TikTok Shop makes everything so smooth. People don't need to leave the app. They will enjoy the favorite contents, and at the same time they'll make purchase. Now picture this. You are watching your favorite TikToks and totally in a great mood. Then this is the perfect time for pushing you to make a fun purchase. By doing this, seller will see their products are flowing and wallets are smiling. Now, what do you think? Will it be a game changer for you? Let's see. First off, you might be wondering how many followers you need to start TikTok Shop. Here's the cool part. There is no follower requirement to set up a seller account. How awesome! Is TikTok Shop free? The answer is both yes and no. TikTok Shop is free to use for the sellers, and yeah, there is no upfront cost. But there are transaction fees and shipping fees, and the commission rate for each product sold is more or less than 5%. The rate can be varied between categories. That's pretty solid, especially when you think about Amazon's commission fee, which is about 8 to 15%. It's not actually bad. Now let's see what are the best products to sell on TikTok Shop. There are some key guidelines to find out. First off, your products need to look good on the camera. The more eye-catching and easier to show off in a quick video, the better it will be. If it's unique, interesting, or even weird enough to make people stop scrolling, then you are on the right track. Your product should be innovative and stand out from the crowd. And it needs to be affordable too. TikTok users are mostly Gen Z and millennials who love a good deal. Lastly, trendy products have a higher chance. Find something that's hot and you could make a serious profit. Another big thing is live shopping. This is like having your own shopping channel. As a seller, you will be super personal with your audience, chatting and sharing deals about your products. For buyers, they are probably relaxing in bed and scrolling. Suddenly, your video will pop. If your video is engaging enough, they will keep watching it. And at the same point, they're gonna end up purchasing from you. It's a fresh and powerful way to sell. You might be wondering, do I need to be a pro video maker to sell on TikTok? Nope, you don't need to be a video expert. TikTok Shop has plenty of tools to connect brands with creators. Just find a creator who fits your brand, reach out and say something like, hey, I love your content. Let's work together. Here's our brand and this is our product. Make some videos and I'll give you a commission for every sale. When fans are gonna see their favorite TikTokers are giving shoutouts to your stuff, they're way more likely to hit the buy button. Plus, it's an awesome way to get your brand noticed and promote your new products. Thinking about selling on TikTok Shop? You probably know the answer already. It depends on your product. Check out this news article. TikTok Shop is massive for the beauty industry. It's actually the 9th biggest online beauty retailer in the United States. So, if you got a beauty product, you should definitely give it a shot. But keep in mind, there are some risks. TikTok Shop's future in the United States a bit uncertain for some legal issues. Another thing is customer base is pretty unique. More than 1/3 of the users are between 18 to 24. So make sure it's worth it for your audience. It's amazing to see how TikTok is changing the e-commerce game. It changed the way of selling and opened the doors to never-ending possibilities. If you're curious about selling on TikTok Shop, we are gonna make lots of videos coming up next on how to set up an account, how to list products, strategies for selling, and many more. That's all, guys. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, stay safe. Goodbye.